Hi, my glorious chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to exceptional. Today I'm going to make corn on the cob. All I used to prepare this dish was some fresh Jersey corn and a little bit of salt. With that said, let's get cooking. This is a pretty straightforward recipe. I've seen people make this in the microwave and it slides out of the husk easily with no muss, no fuss, but I don't trust that. I've never done that. My parents didn't do that. I wasn't taught to do that. I'm from Jersey, where you get corn from the farmer stand on the side of the road, and they trust you to be honest when you pay. Pay the lockbox, or you're going to be swimming with the fishes, if you know what I'm talking about. I'm not here for that microwave life hack. You either cook corn on the grill or in a pot of boiling water. Here, I'm going to boil it. Shuck that corn like a husker like I'm doing here. Boil water in a pot and season it heavily with salt. Snap it in half with your bare hands while grunting, "Arr!" and feel like a superhero at the pool party. Add the salt to the water, add the corn to the water, and cook it until it looks done. You'll just know when it's done. I can't even tell you how long it's going to take till it's done. You'll either cook it till it's done, or you'll undercook it, and you'll eat it till everyone complains. But they won't complain because fresh Jersey corn is so soft, it don't matter. It don't. Jersey corn is delicious. You could eat it raw. Use some tongs or some other way to get it out of the water and insert some corn cob knob holders and dig in. Add salt or butter if you feel the need to destroy the natural, delicious flavors of this treat, but I go au naturel. I don't know how else to eat corn. I know there's something called succotash, but that's for Sylvester the cat. And I'm rooting for Tweety Bird over here. What? If you all like this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!